Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks on this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL with a 3.5-inch rough country lift, some 20x12 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a gloss black with a milled edge finish, and some 37 1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires. We also added a deviate front bumper with the 20-inch LED light bar integrated into it. So this 3.5-inch rough country lift kit, the SKU is a 66-730. What that is it's your 3.5-inch lift kit. It's a stage 1 with a control arm drop bracket. So what it does is it adds a spacer for your spring, it adds shock extensions for your shocks, and then it also gives you your control arm drop brackets, which brings it back to factory ride geometry, which I love. It is one of the best handling, for sure, 3.5-inch lifts on the market due to the fact you retain all of your factory hardware. So our tips and tricks, the first one is with your track bar on the front. More than likely what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna set your track bar to the width, to the length that it's supposed to be at, and then you're gonna realize it doesn't line up. So what's easy about the front is you can just hop inside once the Jeep is on the ground and turn the steering wheel, and that will shift the body where you can have a buddy take it and then put your upper bolt in, or lower bolt, either way, depends on which one you do. Our next tip is with the control arm drop brackets. You're probably gonna get 3 of your control arms in, for sure 2, and then after that you're gonna start having issues. Our tip is to have another jack where you can raise and lower the different sides of the axle to get your control arm bolts through. Another big tip with that is leave your control arms loose. Do not tighten them until you have all 4. And then our final tip is on the rear with the rear track bar relocation bracket. Since it's on the rear, you don't have the pitman arm to shift the body over back and forth, so we recommend either having a jack stand, which you'll probably have from the front, and or some heavy duty straps that will allow you to lift up your rear axle to get your track bar in. Make sure that you get your track bar in before you put your shocks and your springs on the rear. Otherwise you will be hating life because you'll be taking everything off. Besides that, it's a relatively easy install. You can do most of it in your driveway. Make sure you have a drill bit for your bump stop on your front axle. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I love the red Jeep with the black wheels and the bumpers, and I love everything that you did about it, but I don't want to have to go to the dealer, find the Jeep, bring it to you, get it lifted. I just want it all done at once. Luckily for you, if you go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, we will start posting all of the vehicles that are currently for sale that we have built for dealers that they have in their inventory. So the idea is that you can go to the website, find the perfect Jeep, perfect 4Runner, perfect truck, call up the dealer and go buy it today. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the bumpers, the lights, anything, hoods, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.